Good evening, everyone. Greetings. Let me introduce to you a wonderful network marketing or multi level marketing business opportunity by Luxurial International. If you are looking for an opportunity to expand your income circle or to achieve a massive financial breakthrough, I would strongly encourage you to consider Luxurial International because this is a simple, affordable, and a profitable network marketing program. Luxurial International has been established in December 2019 in Malaysia. For the first 1 year until December 2020, we have been focusing only on Malaysian market, and successfully we have developed a network of 15,000 people. In January 2021, we decided to go global, and the result has been amazing. Within first 8 weeks, within 2 months, we were able to expand our network to 27 different countries around the world, simply because a simple plan, affordable and profitable. All right. Now, our CEO and founder is a self-made millionaire from network marketing industry. He is Dr. Devan. Previously, when he was involved in a network marketing company, within the first 1 year, he was able to make his first million. And within 2.5 years, he was able to make 3.2 million. And as you can see on the screen, he has set a record whereby within first 120 days or first 4 months, he was able to purchase a supercar Ferrari F430. So having him as our coach, captain, CEO, founder of the company, it is a great advantage for all of us because he has the strategy, he has the secret, a formula, a approach, a system which enable all of us to become successful within a short period of time. Our company, Luxurial International, is 100% legal. We have the license, direct sale license from Ministry of Domestic Trade and Consumer Affairs. That makes our company 100% legal and legitimate. Our business activities or seminars since year 2020 beginning, we have been conducting in different cities of Malaysia. The response has been amazing, simply because people have been looking for opportunity, a simple network marketing, affordable plan where they can make money, and Luxurial has been a great gift for all of them. We also have many income achievers. Within the first 1 year, we have many income achievers who have made more than 3,000 US dollars, and many of them that you can see on the screen, they have zero experience in network marketing, but because of the simplicity and the profit that we have in the marketing plan, plus with the system and the strategies that has been developed by Dr. Devan, by the company, it is basically helping each one of them to achieve a massive success within a short period of time. So as I said earlier, if you are looking for opportunity, Luxurial International is a totally different, and this is the most highest bonus payout company in the entire network marketing world as we speak now. We have a very unique product called Rosenta Plus. This is from a placenta. It is basically a placenta product based on a Japan formula. When it comes to placenta, there are three types. One is known as the human placenta, animal placenta, and thirdly, plant placenta. And Luxurial International is the first network marketing company in the world to introduce a plant-based placenta product. This is a food supplement, and it promotes it basically for health and also beauty. There are three ingredients in our product. The first is known as the rose extract or rose placenta. After a 40 years research in Tokyo University of Japan, a group of researchers have found out that placenta from this particular rose has the ability to repair, reactivate and rejuvenate the dead cells in our body. So rose placenta, it is good as an anti-aging product for skin care, skin whitening, beauty. If you want to look young, beautiful, energetic, vibrant, Rose Placenta is an excellent product. We also have another two ingredients, algae astaxanthin, which is a natural product, antioxidant for our body, and also soy oligopeptide increases the body immune system. We have benefits, we have a lot of testimonials by consuming this product, but generally this is for health and also for beauty. We have certificates from Malaysian government, the halal certificate. We also have the SGS lab test. This product is clinically tested and proved, and we also have certificate of analysis. And on top of that, it is a vegetarian friendly. If you are a vegetarian, you too can consume this wonderful product. Now, together with this product, we have a business opportunity, which the most interesting part in our marketing plan. When come to many other marketing plan, there is something called a sales target or sales quota. That every single month, while developing your team, you also need to produce a sales target or sales quota on every single month. In Luxurial, you and I, we are not required to sell the product. The product is for self-consume. When you join the business, according to your membership, you will get the product. It is for self-consume. You are not required to sell the product. So our focus 100% is on developing our network or team. This is one of the reasons why I joined Luxurial, why I love Luxurial International. Now, how can you be part of this business program? There are only two simple steps. Step number one, become a member. There are three types of membership. I will explain to you shortly. Once you become member, you introduce minimum 2 people into the system. 2 people who are looking for opportunity like you and me. All right. So step one, become a member. Step two, introduce minimum 2 people. Now let me explain to you the memberships that we have. The basic membership, it is known as the silver membership, and it is only $68.75. In return, you will get 1 box of our beautiful Rosenta Plus. So you promote the business, members will get the product automatically. So this is the silver package, the basic package for the beginner. So step one, now you have become a member. Step two, very simple, introduce minimum 2 people. When introduce the first person, you will get $21.67 credited into your cash wallet. When introduce the second person, you will get another $21.67. Now you have completed step 1 and step 2. You will get additional $13.30 as the matching bonus. So at the first level itself, now you have received $56.64. It is almost about 80% return on capital at the first level itself. That is why I say Luxurial International, it is not only simple plan, step 1, step 2, it is not only affordable, but at the very same time, it is very much profitable. So if you're a networker looking for a massive financial breakthrough in the next 2 to 3 years, Luxurial is the best opportunity. And on top of that, the good news is, or I can say this is the great news, our bonus withdrawal is 100%. We don't have 70, 30, 80, 20, 85, 15. What you see, you can withdraw 100%. So at the first level, you make $56.64. You can withdraw 100%. All right. So this is the a plus point, our marketing plan. So as you introduce 2 and your members introduce 2, you will get another $20.26. When they introduce another 2, you will get another $40.52. So in this package, there is a limit. The limit is maximum per day you could make only $62.30. This is to avoid the company from overpaying. So as a silver member, for the matching bonus, per day maximum you can make $62.30.